pleasure to welcome you to my special video today. Take a moment and prepare your spirit, because what you are about to witness is not for the faint-hearted. Today, I will take you into the world of hard, challenging work, where brave workers perform extremely dangerous scenes of transporting and sawing wood. These realistic images will not only make your heart skip a beat, but also help you better understand the ingenuity, courage, and diligence of those who are doing this job. In particular, today's video not only has intense action scenes, but at the end there will be a big surprise waiting for you to discover. This is an extremely interesting and thrilling scene that I am sure will not disappoint your expectations. So don't rewind, don't skip any moments, and remember to watch until the end to fully experience this exciting journey. Well, without further ado, let's get started with the video. all for taking the time to watch my video. I'm so glad you've been with me and followed every moment of the video. I hope what I share will bring you interesting and useful experiences. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next videos.